Hello everyone, this is Geetika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start exercise 14.3 of chapter 14 symmetry of class 7th. See here in question number 1, name any two figures that have both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. So here what is asking here, again we have to find out two diagrams, two figures who's having both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. As we have done earlier that in circle we are having infinite line of symmetries, and in same in square it is having 4 line of symmetries and rotational symmetry. So these are two perfect examples of those two diagrams who's having both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Then in question number 2, draw wherever possible a rough sketch of, whose rough sketch? A triangle with both line and rotational symmetry of order more than 1. It means to see here we have to find out a triangle, we have to draw that triangle who is having rotational symmetry of order more than 1. So as we have done an equilateral triangle, it is having both line symmetry and rotational symmetry of order more than 1. See here in line symmetry, as we have done earlier, as it is an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle all the sides are equal and it is having 3. See, it is having 3 line of symmetries. Then in rotational symmetry, as it is rotational symmetry, you can see here we can draw 3 order of rotational symmetry, because as we know that this one diagram will complete rotate up to 360 degree. So what we'll do here, as I have divided 360 divided by 3, that is 120. It means to say here it will give you 3 rotations and each rotation it will be up to 120 degrees. So on first rotation it reached up to 120 degree, then on second it becomes again 120, then on third, and then on third it comes to its original positions, and on each step it is looking like the same. And you can see here it is having 3 rotational symmetries. Now next in second part, a triangle with only line symmetry and no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. What is saying here? Now next is this having only line symmetry. See here an isosceles triangle. You can see here an isosceles triangle has only one line of symmetry and no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. You can see here I have shown you here this is an isosceles triangle, and in this isosceles triangle you can see that these two sides are equal and this one line is only a line of symmetry in this triangle. And what about rotational symmetry? You can see here if I rotate it completely, that time will come to its original position. So now you can see that on rotating completely it will complete its 360 degree. Fine, it will come to its original position. So here it's having only one rotational symmetry. Fine, so it is not having more than 1, it is having only 1. Then same here, third one, a quadrilateral with a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 but no line of symmetry. So what is saying here, we are having a quadrilateral with a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 but no line of symmetry. So it is not possible. So it is not possible because order of rotational symmetry is more than one of the figure must assert certain that the line of symmetry. It means to say, what I want to tell you here, that there is not any type of quadrilateral who is having no line of symmetry. Next, see in fourth part, a quadrilateral with line of symmetry should it have rotational symmetry of order more than 1. What is saying here? Now again we have to find out a quadrilateral again who is having one line of symmetry but not having the rotational symmetry more than 1. You can see here I have taken this isosceles trapezium, and in isosceles trapezium just remember one thing, these two, the lines which are non-parallel lines, these are always equal and these are two parallel lines, and this one is a line of symmetry which is going to divide this one trapezium into 2 equal parts. Fine, one part will overlap other, so it is having only one line of symmetry. And you can see that if I rotate, what will happen, that I will rotate it up to 360 degrees, then it will come to its original position. So it should not have a rotational symmetry of order more than 1.